Hi y'all, I'm Chase. This is my 2017 Road King, the Milwaukee-Eight 107, and a Stage 1 kit, actually known as Alice. I just stopped by Adventure Harley-Davidson. They have an El Diablo. Well, they had an El Diablo. People always say, you know, video or pictures or don't do something justice. This is the same way. A lot like, you know, actually Alice here. I think it was Revzilla. They did an initial review of the Milwaukee-Eights when they came out. In fact, it was on a Road King, exactly like Alice here, with the exact same paint. And I remember thinking, wow, that doesn't look too good. But once you see it in person, I think it's just Harley's paint. I don't know, it's just got more depth to it. But, man, that El Diablo Lowrider ST, oh man. It looks like gold flake, the pinstripes, I mean, everything on that bike just looks, just so good. It's insane. You know, Harley doesn't get enough credit there. They get ragged on for being expensive, but man, it's a top tier bike. It was beautiful. And I'm not really into the little teeny tiny saddlebags that come on those, but even those, I mean, they look so good. I'm gonna roll in some, just some walking around, some close-ups maybe of, you know, where I could get on the bike. They weren't allowed to take it outside because it's now owned by someone. I'll also throw a picture in of what number it was out of 1,500. I mean, it is a special edition bike, so somebody bought it. They had it for about 2 hours, I think. So I'll roll that now, but you may hear us having a conversation about the bike. Myself and the salesman over at Adventure. They also have right now, well, they're one of the largest dealers in Ohio, and they get a lot of new bikes from Harley. So if you're looking for a new Harley, hit Adventure up. They have used stuff too. I bought my bike used from there, old Alice here. They are great guys. Usually they can work a deal out with just about anybody. I've already talked to my cousin. They also had a Road Glide ST there that they themselves put a 131 kit in it. Oh my, it sounds angry and vicious, like it wants to eat, I don't know, like eat people or something. It is awesome. Here's the El Diablo. Sorry, it's kind of dark. They weren't allowed to pull it outside because it's owned by somebody, and if they move it outside, something could happen. So sorry about that, but you might hear us talking in the background about it. So, but here you go, and I did get a picture of the number it was out of the special editions. It was 14 something. I don't quite remember, but I'll roll that in too. Here you guys go. Already sold too. Let's see if I can. Yeah, nobody does a close-up on the paint. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, I'll light it up. It looks so much better. Oh, somebody opened the door, that helped. And it sold in 2 hours. Or was it sold before it ever got here?
Sold in 2 hours. She was thinking about it, but when she came in and saw it, it was over.
Oh yeah, the pinstripes. Oh, that looks so good.
Great. They did a really nice job. Here's a good. Did these gold flakes.
Yeah.
Red on top.
Oh, that is
beautiful.
That's just awesome.
They did an awesome job.
All right, that's gonna just about do it for me. Like, comment, subscribe, click that dang link to be notified of any new videos I'm coming out with. And thanks for watching, guys. And stay safe out there. Bye, y'all.